Hey friends, Justin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little taste test. These are the Albanese World's Best Gummy Bears. So I briefly looked, and there are a couple of other YouTubers that have reviewed these, but I just saw them in the grocery store. They claim to be the world's best. Until this time, I think the Haribo gummy bears have always been my faves. So I'm excited to try them. I'm excited to see what I think. I don't know if you guys, let's see if we can get a good shot, but I'll show you some of the nutrition facts and some of the stuff on the back. And it's really nice, heavy, expensive packaging. 12 flavors. Let's see, what flavors do we have? We've got cherry, strawberry, mango, pineapple, lemon, orange, green apple, watermelon, pink grapefruit, lime, blue raspberry, and grape. So obviously we won't try them all together on camera today, but I'll give you my initial reaction and see if they are indeed the world's best gummy bears. So I'll try a couple of them. Initially, I'll tell you right away, just feeling the gummies in the bag, there's a weight and a softness to them at the same time that kind of lets you know that there is some quality to them. It won't make sense until you actually handle the packaging. So let's dive right in. Let's see if this is one of those easy to open ones. Well, let's see. I brought some scissors just in case. I don't want to make a mess of the packaging. Let's dive right in there. Oh, goodness. So right away, as soon as I broke the seal, give you a peek in there if you can see them. But the smell. Oh boy. I can say this is probably this reminds me of being a kid, probably the best smell of gummy bears I've ever experienced. So they're a little bit larger than the average gummy bear. I don't know if you can see them so much in the package, but I'll pull a few out for you to check out. I'm assuming this is the lime. I think the two purples are the blue raspberry, and then we've got a lemon. So I'm going to put one of the blue raspberry back. We'll start with lime and see what we think. Here we go, guys. Cheers. That's a really good gummy bear. I think that was green apple. I'm gonna bet that was green apple. Because I was gonna say that really doesn't give me a lime, maybe more of just a candy-ish flavor, but I'm pretty sure that's our green apple flavor. So next, let's try the lemon. So I'll know what to expect with lemon. Let's try that one. Delicious, juicy, lemony flavor. They're softer than the Haribo gummy bears. And definitely better. They're about $3 a bag. So obviously not incredibly expensive, but not super cheap like the Dollar Tree or corner store ones. They are really good. I was getting ready to dive in without the next flavor. I believe this is blue raspberry out of all the ones that I can see. So let's give that one a try. So far, so good, guys. Excellent, guys. It was so good, I didn't really get a good savoring of the flavors. There's several others. Let's do this. Before I sign off, let's try the pink grapefruit, just to see if there's any nuance to the flavor. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. Cute little thing, huh? Let's do this last one. Pink grapefruit. Wow. My mouth almost just watered, guys. Seriously. It really tastes like pink, like grapefruit. That's exceptional. This is a fun treat. Obviously, it's not an everyday snack. But check these out, guys. I do recommend them. I got them at Kroger. This is not a sponsored video at all. Should have said that at the beginning of the video. Just saw it and thought it was fun and thought I'd make a fun video. So if you guys try it, let me know what your favorite flavors are so I can give them a try. I'm going to try not to eat them all in one sitting so that I have them for a little while as a special treat. We'll see how that goes with the coronavirus and our, my attention span. Hopefully I can hold on to them instead of watching some Netflix show and binging out. But share your thoughts. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I'd love to do more taste tests of items I come across, dollar store items, Kroger items that are interesting. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Cheers.